Good morning. Today is the day that I've been waiting for a whole 2 days. I will be going to the Grand Canyon. I just woke up. All done. We're a little late, a little behind, but we're gonna make it. As I always do.
Excalibur across from the hotel. The bus just pulled up. That is the hotel right there. Just arrived to the Hoover Dam. It is hot as hell. I'll show you guys what I see. I think he said it was like 70 steps or something that we need to walk to get up there. Once we get up there, I'll show you guys.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Here we have the little houses, like the little lodges where people stay at here. They remind me of like the Flintstones little houses.
You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately
If you look at this, it looks like a postcard. It's so pretty. This little bridge that we're gonna walk through. Whee!
like you'll dive inside a car, forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again.
This is where the orphan mine used to be. Well, what area was it?
So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
The tour guide on the bus said that we would be able to see the Colorado River from here. So maybe we'll be able to see it. He said it's like a 10-minute walk out, but I don't see any more trail here. What the heck? Mira esa ardilla. That is weird. Early explorer, this monument honors Mayor John Wesley Hall, the leader of the country. Oh, ese era el que fue por hoy, el río. Mira, mira el asiento de una silla, como like una silla.
Can't wait to leave this town.
Arrived. This is the final stop, the Grand Canyon Visitor Center. There's 2 routes. We have this one here. We have this one here. So we just finished. This is our last stop in the Grand Canyon tour. Center. We're on our way back now to Los Angeles.
To leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down.